Dear kids, fruits are very good for health. We must eat one fruit daily. Today we will learn the names of fruits. Let's start. This is an apple. It is red. A for apple. Mango. This is a mango. It is the king of fruits. Banana. This is a banana. B for banana. A banana is yellow and green in color. O for orange. This is an orange. Its color is orange. Grapes. These are grapes. G for grapes. They can be both black and green. Wow, this is a watermelon. It is very big. W for watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. Hope you like this video. Enjoy eating healthy food. Drink plenty of water and keep yourself fit. Bye bye kids.